you're stronger than you think. Nature's healing power is waiting for you. A powerful tool to overcome trauma. By stepping outdoors, you'll find calm, clarity, and control. Gardening, hiking, or simply being in nature can reduce anxiety and depression, promoting deep relaxation and well-being. Take charge of your healing journey. Breathe in fresh air, feel the sun's warmth, and let nature's peace soothe your mind. Harness nature's therapeutic benefits and reclaim your life. You got this. Every step in nature is a step towards recovery and growth.